marating sa, I mean, sa kanyang individual na na pangarap. And happy ako kasi, di ba dati, pangarap mo lang na makakanta sa mga ganito, mga concert, and then, look at now! Look at now, dito ka na at kinakanta mo na yung kanta mo sa mga people, and nagustuhan naman yung yung kanta mo. Gusto ko yung ha, yung MIMS, make it make sense. Make it make.
Concert mo to.
Ay, sorry. Sorry ha? Sorry. Huwag ka mag-alala sa susunod pag ako nagaginto. I-guess kita.
Alright. Sure, 100%. But my message for you, it's crazy how we're here now. We didn't think we'd ever get here. But thank you so much for that. I'm always gonna be supporting you. Because she's such a great supporter as well. She came here and she performed in front of you guys for me. So everybody give Colette Medina a round of applause! Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys!
It's still surreal. It's still surreal to be here tonight, performing on the stage, making my own music and sharing it with all of you. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you, Colette.